Hi everyone, I'm here with a guest design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts. Um, I have created a little autumn themed folio and let me show you the kits that I have used. So the main part of this is using the Patchwork Pretties kit. And then for some of the embellishments, I used an extra stitch in time. And a stitch in time, which are some of the background pages. And then I also used a couple of pages from the Autumn and Fall Backgrounds kit. So you can get all of those kits on the Rach and Bella Crafts coffee page, as well as the Etsy shop. And so I will link those below for you so you can go and check these out yourself. These papers are gorgeous if you're doing fall projects. So let me show you what I created. So I have just closed this folio. You can see how thick it is, and it's thick because I've added a lot of inserts just to make sure that I could show you various ways to use the pages and so on. So if all of the inserts were taken out, this would be, it would close a lot better than that. So let me show you what I created. I've just used some of this really beautiful kind of rust colored sari ribbon that I had in my stash. It went beautifully with these papers. And so you can see, look at these gorgeous papers, the way that they're just all patchworked in. I've added a little bit of my age tape. And let me take you inside. So in the front cover, I have added as I usually do, a little baking paper pocket. I've added some lace trim here that I had and a little bit of extra trim on top. And then I have just created this journaling card with my notes to self stamp, and I've added just a few leaves. Those are Prima leaves, I think from last year, and then just add a little bit more of that lace trim and a button. And then this is just an offcut from one of the pages that I have further on, and I've just added a little tab at the top, and that's some gold embossed paper that I had in my stash from a couple of years ago. I'll get to the signature last for you. On the back, I have put the flip that I normally do with these folios. And I should mention, I have linked below my little how to make the base of this folio in case you're interested. It's just a trifold. Let me show you. It's just a simple trifold folio, and then I've added this flap, and I've added a little pocket on the back. So you could do any kind of variation to this that suits the project that you have in mind. So on this envelope that I've made the flip out of, I have a little embossed tag here, a little bit of sari ribbon, and then I've just got, this is one of the printables from the kit, and I've just added a little tab at the top with a button. And then behind that, I have added a pocket. One of the tags from the kit, I think that's my favorite tag. It's beautiful, the colors. And then I have added this little glassine envelope, and in it I have stamped September, October, and November in different distressed ink colors using some different die cuts or dies that I have. I thought they would be great for someone to add if you're documenting your fall. Over here, again, I've used the same lace that I used at the front and the same trim. And then I've just added a large tag, coffee dyed tag with a tab at the top. So then that flips open, and here I've added a double pocket, a little bit of trim. This is from the background kit. And then I've just added some of that gold embossed paper to the back, and added a tag that I've made with my note stamp and another die cut tab and that trim for the top. and then a couple of other tags from the kit. Although I believe this one, part of the kit is a washi tape page, and so I just reduced that page in size and made that tag out of that. In the spine, I have added this pocket that I've made, and in that pocket I have just this little booklet. Again, that's that washi tape page. You can see what that looks like. And I've just used it as the cover of this little journal. I've just added a few different journaling pages here. Little pocket, oh, I haven't sealed that. I'll have to seal both sides of that. Little pocket page out of craft paper in the middle. And so that's just for a little bit of extra journaling space. And then in the back pocket, again, I've decorated it in the same way that I did the front. And I've got one of the journaling cards there and another tag from the collection. So that is the base of the folio. With the exception, I have a little pocket on the back here that I made, a little accordion pocket I made out of envelopes, and I will link for you below the little how to make this. I shared that, I think it was last week, but you can see that it opens and it's just a little accordion folio or pocket, little accordion pocket, and I've just added into that just some plain tags that I had originally put some decorated tags in, but it just made it a little bit too thick, so I just added those plain tags. They would be great for journaling or adding some photos to. So let me show you the signature. So it is one signature here. I've got a glassine paper bag at the front, and I've added one of the journaling cards. And then this is one of the pages. So I've just taken that page, that is as well. So I've just taken the pages, the full pages, and reduced them in size to fit 4 onto an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So that's how I did that. So just lots of space for journaling in this. I've added a little lace pocket here. That's one of the background pages, and I've just added a tab. And then I've just cut up one of those pages again, added a little bit of trim at the top to make a tag. And then this is one of the small tags, and I've just added one of the tabs that come with the kit. I've reduced those in size to, I believe it was 4 by 6, so that they would be significantly shrunk to use as tag toppers. And then I've just added that little button to the top. And then I've added in some vintage ledger paper here. This is just some regular ledger paper that I've coffee dyed. One of the beautiful background pages here with a tab. This is a printable ledger page that I've added, and then another of those larger tags with the note stamp and another tag from the kit. And some craft paper here. I've added some holes to the side with just some sari ribbon trim. Here I've added one of the envelopes that comes with the kit, and I don't have anything in it, but I thought it would be a great spot to add some photos or some extra journaling. And I've just used gold paper clips on this. I'm going to look at it again. I may use some of my rusted paper clips before I finish with this. Another tab here with some trim. Here I've got a vellum pocket with a little bit of rust colored velvet ribbon there. Another tag from the kit, and another of the pages that I have reduced in size to make a journaling card. Beautiful in the center. I love this particular page. It's just beautiful. A little tab here. Just some graph paper. Another vellum pocket with a little bit of trim here. I've got a couple of different trims there. My notes stamp die cut. Another small tag with one of those tabs on top. And then this is just a plain tag that I've added a little decorated tab to the top. So you can see there are a lot of inserts here, so that if you took the inserts out, it's definitely something that is very usable. The other part of that craft page that I've just done a bit of stamping on. Another tab here. And so this is just the other part of that smaller ledger page, and I thought certainly it could be journaled on, or it would be a great kind of flat to add something to add photos or something. Here I have added another stamped tag and another of those journaling, or rather tags that I've made with my note stamp, and then another of those pages that I've reduced in size. And this is just, I've left it open. It can certainly be glued at the top and bottom, or just the bottom, and made into a pocket. And then the other side of that glassine bag, I've got another journaling card that I've made with a little bit of trim and a button on the top, and then another of the pages that I have reduced in size to make a journaling card. So that is my guest design team project for Rach and Bella Crafts. If you're looking for some fall themed papers to make a project, these have been gorgeous to work with. There's so many options available, and I've got the links for the Etsy shop and the coffee shop below. And I should say this folio is available in my Etsy shop, and I have linked that below as well for you. So thanks everyone for joining me. I will see you again soon.